Kaya nga po kailangan natin ng education right at this moment kasi dapat yung mga bata naman po hindi naman po supposedly iniisip nila kung ano yung kakainin nila ngayon, kung ano yung
Okay.
kakainin nila bukas, o kung ano yung ihahain sa kanila ng mga magulang nila. Ang iniisip dapat nila ngayon is paano sila makakapasok or paano sila makakapasok sa eskuwela nila. Kasi yung responsibility ngayon, katulad ng frame up nga ng government side is that yung same responsibility ng adults is nagiging same responsibility ng mga bata, which I think is not
Okay.
better of on their side.
Pero it still boils down to the fact who is accountable on these actions. So, if we're to pinpoint what is the main accountability na dapat meron, dapat ang magkakaroon ng accountability is both the children and both the adults. But in the circumstance na kapag heinous crimes, it should be the children itself.
Actually, saying na dapat sila pareho na merong accountability is really problematic because it's like saying na yung punishment dapat ng bata is the same dapat sa isang neglectful adult. Yung pagiging neglectful adult ng isang tao
Okay.
at yung isang pagiging bata is not the same.
It
Yung
is really
bata
not. It is
is
really
forming
not the
pa lang
same.
and yung adult is that they already had a life on themselves. And as I've said a while ago, the law isn't meant to be symmetric when it comes to punishment. It's meant to be wise.